Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a new feature that uh, returned to this season. It's one versus one or one versus one duel mode. So what you need to do is click the multiplayer and click the feature. This is some of the newest feature that returned to this session. So what I want to show you this one versus one duel. So the map itself, the rule itself, there are 3 rounds in total, 10 side in each round. So as you can see, this is the layout. So each round you can change your position, spawn position or spawn location. And also in the first round, players can fight with the weapon in their loadout. And the player, if you lose the round, you can design a weapon type in the next round for both sides. So you can choose what weapon you want to use in the next round. So let's see one versus one duel. Confirm. Let's get started. So we begin one versus one. So this is the only 2 player here. So you have to play against 1 player. So thank you for today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.